Hey there, speculators. It is Rod. Futures on Fire. Welcome back to the channel. Futures on Fire, part of TDG, the Traders Dev Group. We make software and strategies for the active trader. Hey, in today's video, I'm going to get to what I had promised in some previous videos, which is talking about the 3 T's. We're going to talk about TradingView. Chart we see right here. I have many videos on TradingView. It's one of my favorite new platforms, especially for analysis and now also for swing trading. We're going to talk about Tradovate, and we're going to talk about TopStepTrader, alliteration, the 3 T's. So stick around right after this. Cool. All right. So a question I get asked a lot, I did a number of videos on it, is how to get real-time futures data into TradingView. And I had done some videos on how to use Tradovate, which is one of the brokers that connects to TradingView, as one way that you can get real-time futures in there. But I've now found recently, I don't know how recently, but I've started trading it, that TopStepTrader, which is right over here, TopStepTrader is the largest prop trading firm for futures. You can go to TopStepTrader, find out more about what prop trading is if you're not familiar with it. But essentially, you trade a demo account and you're given the opportunity to potentially qualify for funding, trading their capital in a risk-free environment. And now, while you're actually looking to qualify, you're trading a demo account in a risk-free environment, and you're paying a fee to do that, but you're also getting all of the data, which is great. And now, since TopStepTrader uses Tradovate, which is right over here, this is Tradovate, okay, a broker that I talk about very often, a low-cost broker that offers flat fee trading programs, as well as their own trading platform called the Tradovate trading platform. But Topstep has actually white labeled the Tradovate trading platform. And since, are you following all this? Since Tradovate connects to TradingView and TopStepTrader uses Tradovate, you can now trade your TopStepTrader Combine, in other words, your demo environment, on TradingView, which is super, super cool. Now, rather than go through exactly how it all works, I'll show you my process, but I've already set this up. You can go over to TopStepTrader, and then all you want to do is go, let me just show you exactly what you do here if you're interested in all this. First of all, you want to educate yourself a little bit about TopStepTrader and their prop trading program, see if it makes sense for you. But while I don't recommend anything, because I don't make any recommendations, and everything here on YouTube is for educational purposes, and I'd like to remind you to not eat yellow snow, please look both ways before crossing the street, and know that all cats are black in the dark, and the only sure way to double your money is to fold it in half. However, all that said, all that aside, I do recommend that if you're newer to trading in general, any kind of trading, you want to stay out of simulator. And these days, the simulators for both stocks and options and futures are great risk-free way to learn. And you're killing a couple birds with one stone. You're staying in a risk-free environment. You're being able to forward test your strategies. You're getting access to the data and all that good stuff. And now you can also use this combination to trade directly on TradingView. So first thing you got to do if you want to make this all happen is you go over to TopStepTrader and you sign up for their Combine when you're ready. And then you come over here and you just type TradingView into their interface here. When you sign up, if you do sign up, and I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that, just you can check in the description below for some links that I do have to get you access to TradingView, save a little money on TradingView if you're interested in getting access to the pro plans on TradingView. But you come over here to TopStepTrader, you research the program that you want to participate in, and then when you go to sign up, this is important. You need to choose Tradovate or TSTTrader as your trading environment. Don't choose TradeStation. Don't choose NinjaTrader. Don't choose those. You want to choose Tradovate, and that's important. Okay, so choose the Tradovate option there, and then you're gonna read these instructions. They'll explain to you how you set up both environments so it's all connected. But let me show you. I have it all set up here, so what I wanted to do is give you a quick sense of how cool it is and how easy it is to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sign out here and come back in and sign into TradingView. So I'm gonna sign into TradingView. And here's the moving part. So this sign in is actually going to be the sign-in that I use for my TradingView account. Okay, TradingView account. I have a number of them. This one's called Rod Casilli, my name. So I'm going to sign in first to TradingView. So now I'm signed into TradingView. Then you're going to follow all the steps that you have over here in the handy dandy help desk that TopStepTrader. It's hard to keep all straight, right? And I'm talking pretty fast, but it all makes sense once you spend just a little bit of time researching it. So after you have done all the configurations that you need to do on the TopStepTrader side, then you're going to have this, you'll always have this little trading panel down here. I'll try to highlight that. And you come here, and here's the various brokers that are supported currently by TradingView. You can check the channel here. I've done at least 5 or 6 videos. It's the most popular topic that I have here on the little budding channel. By the way, we're just getting this started. It would really help out the channel a lot, mean a lot to me and my trading partners. And we're going to do a lot to do everything we can to make this channel a little differentiated, I think, from a lot of other trading education channels and things like that. We're going to make it as very actionable in terms of how to actually do things and all of our experience. I've been trading futures markets for over 25 years, so I hope I have a little bit to offer the group here. So hit that like, subscribe, choose a little bell. You'll be notified of when we're broadcasting and when we're putting up new content. And after this video, I'm going to do a whole series of exactly the strategy. I'll show you the whole strategy, all the indicators, everything I'm using to move through the TopStepTrader Combine. And I'm in a fortunate position where I don't need access to the capital. It's more of something that we're going to try to do for our students, because it's a popular question we get. One of the big advantages with futures is the prop trading programs for futures, proprietary trading, getting access to trading capital, which is a big hurdle for a lot of new traders. When I hear about people quite literally even losing $5,000 or $2,000 or $500, you're going to lose even when you go live, even if you have a prop account. Going through prop programs and qualify doesn't prevent you from losing capital once you start trading live, but guess what? It's not your own capital, so it makes people feel a lot more comfortable. Anyhow, I have gone in and I have now logged in to TradingView. Now I'm going to come in here and just hit connect to Tradovate. Okay. Now I have a number of live accounts at Tradovate. One that I've completely blown up from a small exchange trade that I did. You can check the previous video for everything about that. But now what you need to do is you just need to log into your TopStepTrader account. Basically, it's going to be the same credentials that you have for logging into TopStepTrader right here. So what I'm going to do is hit TDG, Traders Dev Group, and now I'm logged in. And as you can see here, I have a balance. I'm going through a $50,000. They call them combines. This is the amount of the demo account that I'm actually trading. And I believe in their program, I should probably know this, it's probably the same. It's a 3% or 6% profit objective, but don't worry about the profit objective. Only be concerned with the risk parameters, because that's the most important thing. If you develop along the course of a lot of what we talk about, teach and train in TDG, we think risk first. We are only concerned with our downside. If you handle that, the profits will take care of themselves. But essentially, this program, you need to get to $53,000 or $3,000 in profit, and you have to do that twice. More information about how TopStep works on their website. Okay, so now I'm actually connected. Okay, so I'm connected to TradingView. I'm connected here, and voila, boom, bam. See, I have actually a trade. That I'm resting here to buy the MNQ. I'll move that up to 95.75, and let me finish this off by showing you how nice their integration is. I'm going to come over to Tradovate, and I'm going to log in to the TST Trader, the Tradovate trading platform, which is called TST Trader, directly over here. It'll be the same login. Yeah, so I do the same login. I said yes, access the simulation environment, and then there you can see 50,349 is the balance, and over here same thing, 50,349 right there. Okay, and if you go to orders, you can see that. See this buy order. Let me make this a little bigger. I'll make this larger here and blow that up a little bit. Okay, so there's an order for 97.75 to buy the MNQ, the Nasdaq. I'm going to come over here and drop that down to 97.21. Come back over here, and it was 22.5. Look at how cool that is, okay? Now the final thing, and this is more than I'll go into here, I've gone into it in some other videos, is why would I want to place trades using TradingView as opposed to the platform that you see right here, which is a perfectly good platform as well. This is the TopStepTrader TST platform, which is a white label version of Tradovate. And the answer is it really depends. In my case, I have found, and well, I know this to be the case, there's a lot more flexibility in terms of charting and custom indicators and built-in indicators. In fact, as I mentioned, if you like, subscribe, turn on the little comments, hit the little bell to be notified of when we broadcast. You'll be able to find out about all of the various videos that I'll do showing you exactly why I trade on TradingView as the entry point for this combine, as opposed to over there on TopStepTrader's platform or the Tradovate platform, which, by the way, there's nothing wrong with that platform. It's a very good web-based platform. But the charting and the indicators are never going to be able to keep up with what the team at TradingView is doing. So in fact, if you even see on this chart, this indicator, this volume profile that I have here, the visible range, these are not available on Tradovate, and probably won't be, because Tradovate has to keep up more with order execution, and their demo environment has other things to worry about than making their charting the best thing possibly available. All right, that will be it for tonight's video. We'll leave it there. In tonight's video, what we talked about is how to use the combination of the 3 T's, TradingView, Tradovate, and most importantly, a combine from TopStepTrader, and you now have the ability to trade your TopStepTrader Combine, where you can qualify for access to trading capital in a risk-free environment. It's risk-free while you're looking to qualify. It's risk-free once you actually do qualify. You can find out more about that at TopStepTrader. And we covered how those 3 pieces fit together. So we'll leave it there for now. Again, like, subscribe, and comment. I look at all the comments, and we'll leave it there for now. This is Rod with TDG, the Traders Dev Group, reminding you to stay green and trade like a mean. We'll see you at the next video. Thanks.